ABC Educational Channel. Let's have a speaking practice. I want to play.
I want to play.
I have a ball.
I have a ball.
I am walking.
I am walking.
She drinks lemonade.
She drinks lemonade.
I like to sing.
I like to sing.
I feel sleepy.
I feel sleepy.
He eats apple.
He eats apple.
She is relaxing on grass.
She is relaxing on grass.
I love cooking.
I love cooking.
She is eating salad.
She is eating salad.
I am eating a pizza.
I am eating a pizza.
The baby is sleeping.
The baby is sleeping.
He is crying.
He is crying.
He drinks milk every day.
He drinks milk every day.
I love chocolate.
I love chocolate.
She is using the phone.
She is using the phone.
I am so happy.
I am so happy.
I am excited.
I am excited.
I love reading books.
I love reading books.
He is writing.
He is writing.
She is amazing.
She is amazing.
Don't sneeze here.
Don't sneeze here.
She's playing basketball.
She's playing basketball.
He prays to God.
He prays to God.
They are laughing.
They are laughing.
It is a beautiful ring.
It is a beautiful ring.
I drink a juice.
I drink a juice.
I am cooking food.
I am cooking food.
I love gardening.
I love gardening.
I have cold.
I have cold.
He is playing a video game.
He is playing a video game.
This is for you, dear.
This is for you, dear.
She is a teacher.
She is a teacher.
We are talking.
We are talking.
He is drinking water.
He is drinking water.
She is sitting on the floor.
She is sitting on the floor.
He looks handsome.
He looks handsome.
He is going.
He is going.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Call mom now.
Call mom now.
Let's go to the market.
Let's go to the market.
I am ready now.
I am ready now.
She likes coffee.
She likes coffee.
Put on your shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Play with snowballs.
Play with snowballs.
Let's eat breakfast.
Let's eat breakfast.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
This is my notebook.
This is my notebook.
Hug your sister.
Hug your sister.
I walk with my dog.
I walk with my dog.
She is folding clothes.
She is folding clothes.
It is too heavy.
It is too heavy.
Will you marry me?
Will you marry me?
I am working.
I am working.
We are in the car.
We are in the car.
Let's think about it.
Let's think about it.
This is my family.
This is my family.
He is eating popcorn.
He is eating popcorn.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Mom.
I have a book.
I have a book.
Thanks for watching. Until our next speaking adventure.